Before I get to the topic, let me answer 3 other questions that came from my DM this past week. So one of them was about CTB. If you don't know, CTB stands for color temperature blue. When you're doing like a white shift balance, like if you guys were on my sunrise shooting shutter fest, we did that. We dialed the Kelvin on the camera really high to get more orange on the sky, but our subject's also going to be orange. So we put a blue gel, CTB, color temperature blue. That's what it stands for, CTB, color temperature blue. We put one of those color CTB gels on the flash to offset the orange on people's face, and the skin tones go back to normal. So the question was how do you know which CTB to use? Because CTB, they come in different shapes. They come 1/4 CTB, 1/2 CTB, and full CTB, right? So we need to know which one, and the answer is not that complicated. The answer is the higher your Kelvin is, if you up to 10,000, you will have to use a full CTB, okay? And if it's lower, around 8,000, 7,000, you probably can get by with a 1/2 CTB. All right, this is what happened at Shutter Fest. When the sun started coming up a little bit, it was not very orange, so we bumped the Kelvin all the way up to 10,000, and then we use a full CTB on the flash.